What's going on, guys? My name is Constant Respawn, and today, by the title of this video, you guys know we are going to play. 1 second. There we go. Jetpack Joyride. Boom. No, I'm just joking. We're gonna be playing some Ibuttons. If you guys don't know what Ibuttons is, it's basically buttons that have an eye on them. No, I'm just joking. If you guys don't know what Ibuttons is, it's basically all these buttons, like millions and millions of buttons. You can make your own, well, not millions, about 100 buttons. You can make your own, like right here, add sound. Yeah, you can click random, you can show hidden, but I have nothing hidden, so, yeah. So let's go. We're going to play through all of these, well, half of them. As long as it's an under 15-minute video, then I'm good. So, alright, so let's go. By the way, we're just going to, go in order from first to, oh, it crashed. Okay, there we go. So, let's do this. Oh, one more thing. I'm going to be quiet through this, so you guys can hear the sound starting now. Okay, now the second one.
It needs to be about 20% cooler.
Third one. Yeah, that goes on for like 10 minutes, so I'm not going to play the whole thing. So you guys get it, so I'm just going to play them in order.
Action! Action time! Circus, Afro circus, Afro circus, Afro, polka dot, Afro. Oh yes. I see what she fed. Autobots. An enemy has been slain. I used to be an adventurer like you, and I took an arrow in the knee. Autobots. I'm a buff baby that can dance like a man. I can shake my fanny, I can shake my can. I'm a tough tootin' baby, I can punch your buns. Punch your buns, I can punch all your buns. If you're an evil witch, I will punch you for fun. Because I'm back Tracy. Bad boys, what you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Bad boys. I've got balls of steel. Bazinga. Because I'm happy, I'm alone. Bomb has been planted. The name is Bond. James Bond. Booyah! Bruh.
Okay, guys, I'm just gonna. So we stopped at Cable Guy. So let me scroll down. So we stopped at Cable Guy. I just want to go see how many minutes it's been. It's been 5 minutes. So well, almost 6. So let's go up to 7 minutes.
Can't touch this. Can't touch this. Challenge accepted.
That was cool.
Bounce, bounce, wow. Wow. ¿Qué te va a hacer, pupita? No, it's just Chuck Testa. Consequences will never be the same. Nom, 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 nom. Cool story, bro. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. Cool. Cool, cool, cool. Crush, kill, destroy. And you'll be reported to the cyber police. These nuts. Dejan me hablar. ¡Demasiado! Viejo, es un fenómeno. Es un gallo, viejo. Go!
Okay, guys, we stopped at doorbell. I just want to see what. So yeah, we're not doing all of those today. Do you guys see door? Yep, right there. Okay, if you guys want a part, 1 second. Yeah, it's been almost 9 minutes. So if you guys want a part 2 of this, then please let me know down in the comment section down below. Wait, what? Let me try that again. If you guys want a part 2 of this, then please let me know down in the comment section below. And I'll catch you guys next time. Respawn out. Peace.